Do you want to know how to get more views on YouTube Shorts? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video I will show you how to do this, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So YouTube Shorts views actually depends on various different things, and I will actually tell you these things, these facts basically, step by step. So if you want to get more views on your YouTube Shorts, the first thing that you have to do is you have to actually use the trending music in your YouTube Shorts. And how you can actually get the trending music, you will actually click on this trending option here, and it will get us to the trending page of YouTube, and here you will see this music option. So you'll click on this music option. Now this actually changes with country wise. So right now I'm from Pakistan, so it shows me that which music songs are actually trending in Pakistan. So these are the music. So let's suppose that if I wanted to use like this music and this song in my YouTube Shorts, then my YouTube short will definitely get more views. Okay, so if you are on the phone, you will just click on this video here, and under these options with clip you will see a remix option there, and you will click on that remix option there, and then you will get the option to use the 15 seconds of this song into your YouTube Shorts video, and then you just have to post the your YouTube short video with this music, and then your YouTube short will get more views. And the next fact is basically that make sure that your YouTube short video quality is good. Okay, so let me just show you a little video here. As you can see that this video is like in 720p, and the quality of this video is very good. Okay, so I can show you. If you right click on this, go to the properties and go to the details here, you can see that its frame width is 720. Okay, so that means that this video is in 720 pixels. So you have to make sure that your so you have to make sure that the YouTube short that you are posting must be in great quality in order to get more views. Okay, and the next thing that I wanted to tell you is, if you search on YouTube actually, like let me just go into the shorts section here, and just pause it.
I figured out the
You
fastest
have
way
to
to get.
actually like make suspense in your YouTube Shorts videos, like this one, like this YouTube short. How many views it got actually? I think we can't see the views here, but that definitely this has like more views, and fastest way to get views on YouTube Shorts. Okay, so you have to you have to do something like this into
Where's
your
the noise
YouTube
coming
Shorts
from?
videos.
I
So
figured out.
when you do something like this, like put some suspense into your YouTube Shorts, your YouTube Shorts will definitely get more views. Okay, and the next thing that you have to actually do is to actually add the relevant hashtags into your YouTube Shorts. So when we upload the YouTube short, then you have to put some tags in there, and let me just show you that how you can actually put some tags so that your YouTube shorts actually get more views. Okay, so we will open up our YouTube Creator Studio, and then we will actually just drag and drop this video file here. And there is one tip that I wanted to tell you, is that whatever will be the title of your YouTube video or your YouTube short video, you have to also write this title here. Okay, so let's suppose this one, like busy road with cars, and then you just have to like drag and drop this here. And now while this video will get uploaded, you have to like add some hashtags. So you will press hash, and the first hashtag that you want to add is like shorts. Okay, so shorts, and then busy road, something like this one, busy road and busy routine. So busy road. So you have to like actually use these hashtags, and then you have to copy this title here and put this title into the description here. Okay, and if you want you can actually like add some tags here, but this is not necessary. Okay, so these are some of the tips that you can use to actually get more views on your YouTube shorts. So we hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, you can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video, you can ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you have a fantastic day.